Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're my regular viewers, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm going to be using a range of Glitterbels acrylic, and I'm going to do sort of like a mermaid themed set of nails. So I'm starting out with Tiffany Teal on the little finger, and I'm just going to spread that down about sort of a third of the way down, and then I'm going to go in with a bit of marble using the Tiffany Teal and Shark, and then I'm going to finish it off with some scales. How nice is that marble with the Tiffany Teal and the Shark? I didn't think it would be as nice as this, but I'm so pleased that I put the two colours together. And I think just adding scales to the bottom of the nail just kind of ties it all in together. And then I am going to go ahead and I'm going to add some seafoam crush just in my little swishy S movement that I normally do, just to bring some glitter up to the top of the nail around the cuticle. You know, sometimes I grab colours and I'm like, oh, will that go together or will it not? And sometimes it is just trial and error. So don't be afraid to use different colours, you know, like from blue and a green family. It's just sometimes colours that shouldn't go together actually go together really, really well. Moving on now to the ring finger, and I'm going in with Peachabelle Cover up on the nail bed area. I think Peachabelle Colour is probably one of my new favourite like cover powders. I love the warmth that it gives, you know, the nail bed area. So for this one I'm going in with Shark. It's a marble, but it's not a marble. You'll see whenever I'm doing the nails. So I'm just kind of putting the Shark on almost like tiger stripes, but then I'm going to go in and in between all those I'm going to add the scales and the seafoam crush, but I want to keep a little bit of the glass tip showing through as well. I just thought I would go ahead and just extend that Shark up further into the nail bed, just so that there was no spaces between the Peachabelle Cover and the Shark. So now I'm going to go in with some seafoam crush, and I'm just doing it really, really lightly, just spreading it in that gap between the two colours of the Shark, and then I will go in with the scales and do the same. So moving on to the middle finger, and I'm going in again with Peach Bell cover. So this nail is basically going to be the same as the ring finger, but only the colours are going to be different. So I'm going to go in with the Tiffany Teal and do the same as what I did with the shark, and then I'll alternate the glitters as well. So back to the, well, not back to, onto the pointer finger, and I'm doing the same basically as what I did on the little finger. So I have Tiffany Teal up at the cuticle area, and then I'm marbling the shark and the Tiffany Teal together. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, these two colours together. So it's definitely a colour combination I would use again. So I will go in with some scales at the bottom of the nail like I did on the little finger, and then I'll go in with some Seafoam Crush just up around the cuticle area. So rather than leave the middle two fingers just as they are, I have decided to go in with some angel paper. So what I've done is I have sort of like scrunched up my hand just to make it nice and wrinkly, and I put on some gripper glue, and I'm just going to stick the angel paper to the Peach Bell cover. And then I'll go in again with some more of the Seafoam Crush, and I'll just hide that line of where the angel paper ends at the Peach Bell cover. I hope I've explained that right. Now that the glue has all dried, I'm going to go in now with the Seafoam Crush and just hide the line of where the paper, the angel paper ends. I wanted to make sure that the glue had completely dried because I didn't want any of the glue residue sort of transferring onto my brush because it would just ruin it. Now I'm going to go ahead and cap the nails in glass slippers. I'm only going to show one of the nails being capped though because, as you know, I never like the video to be too long for you guys. So now that it's all cured, I'm going to go in and do my normal filing routine. So I start at the side walls, I make sure they're nice and straight. Then I go to the lower arch and I make sure they're nice and straight and coming out in line with the natural nail. Then if it's a coffin shaped nail, I usually go to the free edge and make sure that's nice and straight and the shape that I want it. And then I'll continue to file around the cuticle area, making sure that's nice and flush. And then I'll file around, oops, my tip popped down. I'll file around the rest of the nail, just in an upward motion towards the apex. That way the apex will stay at the height that I placed it. Once I'm happy with all of that, I will just go around the rest of the nail, making sure I've got all lumps and bumps out, and then I'll finish off with my buffer. Now that I've got all the filing and shaping done, I'm just giving them a quick wipe over with some alcohol before I do top coat time. There's no rhinestones on this set, guys, because I think the nails, they have a lot going on with them, and I don't think rhinestones would actually add anything to the nails. So when you're using the top coat, especially if you've been using glitter, it's amazing. You literally just see the nails come to life, and this scales, oh, I just love it. And here's the finished set, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. So take care. See you soon. Bye.